I have finally gotten around to organizing my collection. I've already put away my contemporary coins, which is most of it. This is what you're looking at, the some of my antique and vintage medals. And Losing Louis suggested before I put them away, I should share some of them with you. So I'm going to give you a super brief overview, and then I'll zoom in on some special pieces that I think you'll really enjoy. But anyway, also it's a nod to Joseph because he's done something similar like that where he had everything all spread out. But so this is just a quick kind of a overview. These are all, and like over here is agriculture, and these are the Marianne from France, and these are cool pieces. And these are all shooting medals here. Yeah, these are all different categories. So I'm going to zoom in on just a couple of special pieces over here, starting with this amazing piece. This is pure silver gilded in gold. I think it's just spectacular. It's in flawless condition. Look at it. It's just like fresh from the mint. And this is an amazing piece. It's actually copper gilded in gold. What a spectacular minting this is. And this is a beautiful piece that was given as a prize for agriculture. First prize, it has, it's pure silver gilded in gold. And this one's pure silver. Look at the beautiful toning. And then this is another one gilded in gold. These just gleam in person. They're amazing. This is a massive silver medal, probably 10 or 11 ounces. Look at the artwork on this. This is a shooting medal. It's kind of a cool one. This is another shooting medal. Look how crisp it is and the detail. This one was given for the arts. Let's see if I can. Beautiful. These are all silver. This is a special piece here. Look at that. Incredible. Silver and gilded. Look at the silhouette over time, the toning that occurred. And this is a beautiful toned piece. Another one gilded. This is a cool, look at that patina on this. Jade and burgundy and purple and blues. This is King Ferdinand of Denmark. Pretty good shape. This is from the United Kingdom, King George V and his wife, the coronation. Look at the other side of it. It's in amazing condition. It's like it was minted yesterday. Big chunk of silver. This is a special piece. The toning and the gilding and beautiful Marianne. This is another massive medal. This is huge. Big, big, big piece. Let's see if I can turn it over carefully. Look at that, a beautiful. $1893. Look at how good condition this is. Look at the artwork. I treasure these. I mean, these are not easy to find. And this is another one that I think is pretty cool. I may do individual videos on some of these, but I just wanted to give you an overview. This is an amazing piece. Looks like a Statue of Liberty seated. Toning is spectacular. This is Napoleon, the Waterloo medal. Insane. Number 36 of 5,000. I have about 6 of these, and this one is in the best condition, I believe. The other side's cool too. There they are, the Napoleonic tribe. Amazing how these guys changed the earth, the history of the world. This is pretty incredible. Very old silver plaque. Again, the classical artwork is just profound. It was from the International Exhibition. I have all the original cases. Here we go. Look at the glistening, the gleaming. It's in great condition. It's on the back here. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Look at this. This is a winner. This is the last one I'll show you. This would be given for somebody who had accomplished something significant in commerce. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of some of my more vintage pieces. Keep stacking and collecting, y'all.